Koe kakina kigekuns nimid takwan bisin Indigenous makwan dodem Anishinaabe minwa nijmanaduag ninda Pikwaknigin minwa kiriganzibi nindunjaba minwa Kitchener Andayan. Hello, my name is Maddie. I am a mixed Anishinaabe and Two-Spirit artist here in Kitchener, and I'm the owner of Western Sky Designs. This year I was honored to be asked to design and create the mural in Waterloo Public Square for National Indigenous Peoples Day. And in designing this piece, the first thing that came to my mind as something that has always been integral to me as an Anishinaabe person and been a source of pride for me as an Indigenous person, generally speaking, is the practice of smudging or smudging ceremony. Early in the pandemic, most of my days would start with smelling sage or sweetgrass burning downstairs and my mom coming into my room in the morning to wake me up with the smudge bowl lit and ready to start the day through this very grounding practice that exists in our culture. The smudging ceremony exists as a way of connecting us to Mother Earth, to our Creator, to our ancestors and those who have passed into the spirit world, and to ourselves and our bodies. It's a very grounding practice. Not only that, but the smudging ceremony reinforces our relationship to the natural world. We have all four elements represented in the smudge bowl. We have our plant medicines, cedar, sage, tobacco, and sweetgrass, which represent our offerings from Mother Earth. Water is represented through the shell that we use as a smudge bowl. Fire is represented obviously by igniting the plant medicines in the ceremony, and of course the smoke that we use to wash over ourselves is representative of the air. When my mom and I would start our days this way, I remember thinking what a gift it is to be Anishinaabe, what a gift it is to be Indigenous, to be given these teachings that have been practiced for centuries, to have these plant medicines grow so beautifully in the world around us, to be able to connect to the spirit world, to our Creator in such a beautiful and meaningful way. It truly just reinforced the idea that our ancestral knowledge, our ceremonies, our cultural practices are integral to who we are as human beings, and that's a truly beautiful thing. Our ways of being and knowing are essential and worthy of being celebrated, not just today, but every day.